In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use journal entries in QuickBooks Online. So let's dive right in and make sure you're feeling confident and knowledgeable about navigating QuickBooks by the end of this tutorial. Imagine you're about to log into QuickBooks Online. The first thing you'll see is the sign in page. You'll want to click on the sign in button to get started. This step is pretty intuitive and takes you to the next phase where you'll select the QuickBooks Online option. It's important to make sure you're signing in with the correct product, as QuickBooks has several different software options. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. These are simply your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Enter them carefully and hit Continue. This will take you straight into your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where all the magic happens. Once you're inside QuickBooks, you'll want to turn your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find the Reports tab. This tab is your gateway to all sorts of valuable financial insights. Clicking on Reports will open up a new page with a few different tabs at the top. What you'll want to do here is navigate to the Standard tab. This tab contains many pre-configured reports that QuickBooks offers to meet various needs. Your next stop is the For My Accountant section. This area of QuickBooks is specifically designed to house reports that are often used by accountants. It's a great place to find the journal, a tool that's crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Now, once you're in the right section, the next step is to click on Journal. This is where you'll be able to view all your journal entries. The journal is essentially a detailed logbook that records all your transactions in chronological order. It's invaluable for tracking your debits and credits to help ensure your books are balanced. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated through QuickBooks Online to access and view your journal entries. Remember, accurate journal entries are essential for keeping your business's accounting organized and reliable, offering a comprehensive view of your financial activities. With practice, you'll find this becomes second nature and plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of your financial reports. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.